There was a man who somehow stuck in the bog. Initially, he tried to come out, but slowly, as much he tried, he get more stuck in the bog. Because you know how the bog is, that physical body cannot move out of that, and slowly, his entire body started to get stuck into that, and it came to the level like this. Now you tell me, how can he come out? Can he come out from that situation by himself? It's not possible. So that bog situation is not the physical, my friend. I'm saying about the mental bog. When people get stuck in so many problems, so many situation and stuff like the bog. Albert Einstein has said that the mind who has created the problem cannot find the solution. So who can find the solution? Someone else, right? So that is why if you have problem, you by yourself cannot solve the problem, right? Or the mind which has created the problem, that mindset cannot solve the problem. Mindset has to change to solve the problem. And sometimes the best way to solve the problem is not to participate in the problem, right? Because so many times we get to involve in all the issue, all the problem, or we create the issue, right? Sometimes people don't have issue, but they create the issue. So solving a problem is better than creating a problem. Be a problem solver, not the problem, because problem solving is one of the top most and best skill I can see. So many people, they stuck in anything, any situation, any problem, and they give up. They don't know what to do. But my dear friend, if you look around and if you detach yourself from the problem or from the situation, that is when you can find the solution. And here is the something I found the best solution, a best technique. Whenever any situation comes, and when I see that okay, this is the problem, I analyze the problem and detach myself. I detach myself from the situation, and I put someone else in that situation, my friend or someone. And from third person point of view, I analyze the situation, and then I advise the solution. When I get all the workaround, all the solution, all the steps, then again I enter into that situation, take the responsibility and apply all the situation which my mind, the third person my mind has advised the solution for someone, for my friend, right? So this is how I find the solution of so many problems, right? So thank you very much for watching this video. I am Dharmendra Kumar. I am a success habit coach. Thank you.